Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Clarissa, a Start Pilates certified instructor as well as a physiotherapist. In this video, I'll be showing some Pilates exercises on reformer to work on the legs. Follow me throughout this video to get some legs workout. For those who are new to my channel, do check out this video, click on the link above to find your right setting on the reformer. Before we start, don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Pilatique, Pilates and Physiotherapy Studio.
First exercise, second position, parallel. Foot bar number 1 with your own footwork setting. Recommended spring tension, 3 or 4 springs. Starting position, lying onto the carriage, headrest should be adjusted based on your neutral head and neck alignment. Place both heels onto the foot bar in hip distance apart, toes pointing up towards the sky. Keeping the pelvis in neutral here. Inhale to prepare. Exhale, straighten the legs to press out the carriage. Inhale, bend the knees to return the carriage. Avoid the knee locking when you press out the carriage. You should feel the engagement on your quadriceps muscles in this exercise. Recommended repetitions is 10 repetitions and 3 sets. Next, footwork, heels together, toes apart. The setting is same with the previous exercise, second position. Recommended spring tension is 3 or 4 springs. Starting position, lying onto the carriage, headrest should be adjusted based on your neutral head and neck alignment. Place the balls of the feet on the foot bar, heels together, toes apart, knees aligned with the feet and bend just wider than shoulder distance apart. Inhale to prepare. When you exhale, squeeze the heels together, straighten the legs and press out the carriage. Make sure the knees are pointing to the side. Inhale, bend the knees to return to starting position. Avoid the locking of the knees when you press out the carriage. You should feel the engagement on your medial quadriceps muscles in this exercise. It is recommended to complete this exercise with 10 repetitions and 3 sets. Next exercise, single leg bicycle. Foot bar number 1 with your own footwork setting. Recommended spring tension is 2 or 3 springs. Starting position, lying onto the carriage, headrest should be adjusted based on your neutral head and neck alignment. Place one ball of foot onto the foot bar, aligned with sit bone and heels up, while another leg straighten over the foot bar, toes pointing forward here. Inhale, maintain the pelvic neutral, straighten the foot bar leg to press out the carriage, and draw the gesture leg into tabletop position. Exhale, bend the foot bar leg to return the carriage and reach the gesture leg over the foot bar to starting position. Over here, make sure the pelvis is not hiking or twisting throughout the exercise. Avoid locking of the knee when you press out the carriage, and you should feel the engagement on your quadriceps muscles here. The recommended repetitions in this exercise are 10 repetitions and 2 sets for each side. Next exercise, hip lift. In this exercise, you will be using foot bar number 1 with your own footwork setting here. It is recommended to use 2 springs in this exercise. Starting position, lying onto the carriage, headrest should be fully lowered down. Place the heels on the foot bar in hip distance apart, feet pointing up towards the sky, legs in parallel. Inhale to stay. Exhale, stabilize the pelvis and spine in neutral and lift the pelvis up just off the carriage. Inhale to stay, and when you exhale, maintain a pelvic and spinal neutral here. Press out the carriage without lowering the pelvis and create a straight line from shoulder to heels. And when you inhale, stay the pelvis off the carriage, bend the knees to return the carriage. It is recommended to complete the leg press movement for 10 repetitions in each set. To finish the exercise, on the last repetition, exhale to lower down the pelvis while maintaining pelvis and spine in neutral. Make sure the pelvis stays at the same level throughout the leg pressing movements here. In this exercise, you should feel your hamstring muscles when you draw the carriage in and maintain the pelvic height. The recommended set for this exercise is 2 sets. Next exercise, front split prep. Foot bar number 1 with your own footwork setting. Recommended spring tension is 1 or 2 springs. Starting position, standing with the outer foot on the ground aligned with foot bar. Place other leg up against shoulder rest and keep the carriage leg straightened here. Maintain the spine and pelvis in neutral, hands on pelvis. Inhale, straighten the front leg to press the carriage out without changing the alignment on other parts of your body. Exhale, bend the front knee to return to your starting position. You should feel the engagement of quadriceps muscles on the standing leg in this exercise. It is recommended to complete this exercise with 10 repetitions and 3 sets for each side. Next exercise, side split adduction. In this exercise, we'll be using foot bar number 4 with universal setting. Recommended spring tension is half or 1 spring. Placing a platform extender against the stable wooden board. Standing up onto the stable platform extender, then place another foot onto the edge of the carriage. In starting position, standing on the carriage and the platform extender, feet parallel, lengthening the spine up towards the sky. Then, stabilize the shoulders and reach the arms by the side. Inhale, maintain even weight on both feet, open up both legs together with control. When you exhale, zip up your inner thighs evenly to return the carriage. Make sure the spine and the pelvis are in neutral throughout. You should feel the engagement on your inner thigh in this exercise. Recommended repetition is 10 repetitions and 3 sets.
Hope you enjoyed these beginner-friendly leg challenging exercises on the reformer. Stay tuned for more videos like this to challenge your body. If you have any questions, please drop a message to our WhatsApp number or comment below.